This year, about 35,000 participants and 850 exhibitors across 35 nations came together at Formnext to bring additive manufacturing to the next level. At Link3D, we believe digital transformation is key to enabling Industry 4.0. We must bridge the gap between software and hardware to help businesses maximize their AM infrastructure. This year at Formnext, we saw many new materials and machines launched, and software and hardware partnerships formed to help businesses connect the digital thread. More than ever before, industry players are coming together to develop scalable solutions that will help businesses bring parts to market with scalability, repeatability, and quality in mind. By bringing the community together, we are able to foster a collaborative environment to continue pushing the boundaries of additive manufacturing to make our shared vision come true. As 2019 comes to an end, we look forward to seeing where 2020 will take us. We can't wait to reconnect with you next year at Formnext and other shows across the world.